Kiriri Garden Hotel, located in Bujumbura, 5 kilometers from the Bujumbura Museum, 10 kilometers from the Merikionda Airport of Bujumbura, and next to the museum of Prince Kiriri Rwagasore. The Kiriri Garden Hotel, the 10-story hotel, has a restaurant capable of offering to guests a continental buffet breakfast served every morning and evening at the hotel, free private parking, an outdoor swimming pool with beautiful birds to relax on comfortably, a well-equipped gym for gymnastics, as well as beautiful conference halls, some of which bearing the names of Burundi provinces. This 5-star hotel has a free Wi-Fi network, a bar and a garden, which make the difference for the quality of the facilities and services offered. More specifically, the hotel has a quality presidential suite, a junior suite, and beautiful living rooms. The property offers a 24-hour reception. In addition to this, the kitchen is a special feature. This is evidenced by the various precious meals which attracted all of visitors, both national and international. Its customers are very delighted with the unprecedented expertise demonstrated by its cooking staff. The Kiriri Garden Hotel has a sun terrace and a 6th level constituted by core, which overlooks the portrait of the city of Bujumbura as well as the Lake Tanganyika. The owner of the hotel will tell us about its geographical location as well as the added value in the economy of the country.
We built this hotel. It's located in Bujumbura city, in an area called Kiriri, and the hotel is called Kiriri Garden Hotel, of course. We built this hotel the project started some years ago, and we have completed just recently, and we are just here to give the best of services and excellent quality welcoming to our clientele. The country in general are going to benefit. Well, you know, the better we work, the better we perform as Kiriri Garden Hotel. When we file our taxes to the country will gain the revenue on that also. So this is our effort. The more we earn, the more we work, the more the country also will evolve with the taxes that we.
As the name suggests, Kiriri Garden, the word garden stands for indescribable beauty of Burundi throughout the decoration made with its works of arts, what reveals the African customs and civilizations, which lives in memories, the history of Africa in general and that of Burundi in particular. In addition, the word garden introduces the idea of the greenery of the Burundian nature. Asked by our team, an employee of the hotel shared with us his experience in the hotel industry and his choice to be part of Kiriri Garden Hotel employees.
It's my first time to work in a hotel, but I got a chance to visit different hotels, like Local Golf Hotel, like Club de Lac Tanganyika Hotel, and really there's a big difference. There's a big difference because as our vision is, we're here to redefine the African hospitality, and really we mean it. We mean that because if we try to look, for example, in my career about events, we are hosting very huge and different events in local places and also international ones.
The hotel itself is a touristic monument. Are you a tourist? Do you ever undertake to visit Burundi? Kiriri Garden Hotel serves you a warm welcome, well-equipped rooms for you to rest, and your many other favorite services as well.